Hello guys, hey, this is again Ajay Suresh, your buddy. We're going to do some 3 strength training exercises today. I got 10 pounds of weight each in my hand. If you have some weights, have them. If you don't have any weight, take 2 water bottles, or you can do them without weights. It still help you, so here we go. So we got first exercise, both the feet in line with your shoulder and hips, all straight line. You're gonna bring your weights up here. Here we go. And down, up with this arm, up with this arm. 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. These are 5 times. We're going to do them starting with 5. Increase them. Ready? Second exercise, we put the arms down, like so. We're going to take one foot, go back, and raise it up. Bring it down, bring the foot forward, take this foot back, up, down, back here. Here we go. Very good. Here we go. Back, up, down, take back, there you go, bring it back, down, back, up, down, front, back, up, down, back, up, down. Alright. Next exercise. Take this weight in the back. You got both weights right here. 1, way the back. 1. Down. Back. Up. Back. Up. Down. Back. Up. This is the 3 exercises. Do them 5 times, only to begin with each, and then increase them as you get used to it. Because if you don't have 10 pound weight, use 5 pounds, 2 pounds. This will be good for your bicep, tricep, thighs, butt, legs. They make them strong. So we want to get strong at this age of our life. Keep on doing, keep on pumping. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.